Abayomi is the thief. Abayomi is the thief. Bravo. Ole.
Abayomi kabarao. Why? Abayomi, kadera sata. Allah de sheraka. Allah de kama manaka. Abayomi. Why?
Abayomi need to send him to prison. Abayomi is the thief. Underground prison. Abayomi is the thief. Abayomi is a thief. $1 is a big money.
The big question is, what should the position of the law be? And in my opinion, as a lawyer, I believe that if we have to be factual about the situation on ground, then you would know that it is glaring. From what you see here this morning, I came here to look at what is happening in court, to witness the matter, and I met a lot of people on ground here. I met a lot of crowd, could not even pass through them. People agitated, investors agitated and complaining and saying they want the refund of their money. And when you speak to them, you will hear a genuine complaint. You will hear people saying things like, look, Jesam Michael should not be kept in incarceration, while the person who is facing trial, who had earlier on confessed about having carted away with the monies, is moving on the streets freely. So that is the agitation of the people. That's what you're seeing here this morning. And it's unfortunate that we have to force this into the system. A lot of them are disappointed, as much as you can imagine. And in my view, I think they are on the right stand. It is not just because they are angry, but because they want justice. The people want, this is no longer about Jesam Michael, it's no longer about AAS. It's about the interest of the public. The people want justice. So what we're simply saying is give them justice, that's all. And that's why we're in court this morning. So I see no reason why a high court should have two separate persons before it on the same facts. One of them is incarceration, the other one is working freely. So it's appalling. So that's why you see these people here this morning. All they are saying is give us justice. We want our monies refunded. We want Jesam Michael to be released, because they are the people who are directly involved. People who brought their monies to invest in a company are now telling you that, look, we know that the director or the CEO of this company has not treated us badly. He is not responsible for what is happening to us. He's another person. So you can just imagine. And that's the reason why I also want to say that we are expecting that justice will be done. We are expecting that justice will be done. And everyone you see here is also hoping that justice will be done. So that's the point. That's the point.
Our prayer this morning is that Abayomi Oluwasesan, who has entered a plea bargain with the police to having stolen $7 million from our platform because of access that was granted him due to the medical incapacitation of our CEO, we are asking that justice should be done in this case. Abayomi has to return our money. What Abayomi has just done is just to set a wonderful innovation backwards. But the CEO is determined to go through all this and bring back the system and make sure that things work well according to the rules and regulations guiding cryptocurrency transactions in Nigeria. He is somebody who is law-abiding, he is somebody who plays by the rules, and he is somebody who wants the betterment of the common man. It's unfortunate that illness befell him, and as a result, he handed over the platform to Abayomi to continue to maintain while he takes care of his health and come back. Unfortunately, in his absence, Abayomi Oluwasesan made away with the funds in the system, claiming that hackers have hacked into the system and taken away the money. But that is far from the truth. While the police investigated this matter, he entered a plea bargain to return the monies that he had taken. He returned part of them, part of the property he had bought with the monies. He returned part of the cars he had bought. And then the bulk of the funds, which are still in a cold wallet that is holding, he has not returned. And he's playing with the money till today.
$87 million.
The investors are suffering because he's with this money. The investors, some of them have even died because he's with this money. Our prayer this morning is that justice has to be done. Yes. The court must do justice. Yes. Abayomi has to be brought to book. Yes. He's not just being brought to book, he must have to make restitution, return all the money he has collected so that the investor can have a new lease of life. Jesam Michael is today currently suffering because of this issue. And we are asking the court to be mindful of all these issues. Free Jesam Michael, focus on Abayomi, who is the thief, and do the needful. Thank you. That's our prayer.
Free Jesam Michael!
Why we are protesting today is because Abayomi Oluwasesan stole $87 million from AAS when as amazing CEO Jesam Michael wasn't feeling so well, so he handed over everything to Abayomi so that the company will still be running until he's back. He actually did not want to shut down the company because Jesam is a very transparent person. He's somebody who actually has the investors at heart. What Abayomi did was to hack the system and then lock Jesam out, change all the password and everything. Even the owner of the system could not log in. I actually want the court to prevail. I want justice to be done. And I actually want Jesam to be free because right now the victim is in detention while the thief, the accused Abayomi Oluwasesan is parading freely.
What a system.
He's parading freely. So I believe in Nigerian justice. I believe that the court is the last hope of a common man. So I believe that this court in Jabi, FCT High Court in Jabi, the judge is going to do the needful, and I believe in the judge. So we just need justice. We need our money back. Yes. We are suffering. The country is hard. We need our money back. And I need my CEO. These are all investors. We all came out today to protest because Abayomi, the case is going on today. Like what I said, we just came out from the section. So we all want our money back. Abayomi should return the $87 million. He confessed. We have all videos, recorders, everything to disprove. He confessed in front of the IG, Ebektekun, that he actually stole this money. There are videos to that. So Abayomi should return the $87 million. Up till now, Abayomi is using our money to buy properties and cars till this date. So I just want justice to prevail because Jesam Michael is innocent. These are all investors. We are all suffering. These are all investors. So we need our money back. Abayomi should give us like $87 million.